Hello everyone, welcome to Techno Kamakhya. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss on the best review of the smartphone Galaxy A56 5G. Samsung has officially launched the Galaxy A56 5G in India, introducing a feature-rich smartphone that blends performance, design, and durability. Design and display. The Galaxy A56 5G boasts a sleek design with a thickness of just 7.4 mm, making it one of the slimmest in the Galaxy A series. It features a 6.7-inch FHD plus Super AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and brightness levels reaching up to 1200 nits, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. The device is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both the front and back, enhancing its durability against scratches and impacts. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 5G is powered by the Exynos 1580 chipset, delivering robust performance for multitasking and gaming. It comes with up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of internal storage, catering to various user needs. The device runs on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7. Offering a user-friendly interface and a seamless experience. Camera. The smartphone is equipped with a versatile triple camera setup. Main camera, 50MP lens with optical image stabilization, OIS, for sharp and detailed photos. Ultra-wide lens, 12MP sensor for capturing expansive landscapes and group shots. Macro lens, 5MP sensor for detailed close-up photography. For selfies, there's a 12MP front-facing camera capable of 10-bit HDR recording, ensuring high-quality self-portraits and video calls. The device also includes advanced AI features like auto trim and best face, enhancing the photography experience. Battery and charging. The Galaxy A56 5G houses a 5000 mAh battery, providing extended usage on a single charge. It supports 45W Superfast Charge 2.0 technology, ensuring quick replenishment of battery life. Durability. With an IP67 rating, the device is resistant to dust and water, offering reliability in various environments. The inclusion of Gorilla Glass Victus Plus further enhances its resilience against daily wear and tear. Software support. Samsung promises 6 generations of Android OS updates and 6 years of security updates for the Galaxy A56 5G, ensuring users benefit from the latest features and security enhancements over an extended period. Pricing and availability. In India, the Galaxy A56 5G is available in 3 storage variants: 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage. Price at 41,999 Indian rupees. 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage. Priced at 44,999 Indian rupees. 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. Priced at 47,999 Indian rupees. As part of the launch offers, customers can avail a free storage upgrade worth 3,000 Indian rupees, making it an attractive deal. The device is available in 3 color options: Awesome Olive, Awesome Light Gray, and Awesome Graphite. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy A56 5G stands out as a compelling choice in the mid-range smartphone segment, offering a blend of sleek design, robust performance, versatile camera capabilities, and long-term software support. Its competitive pricing and feature set make it a strong contender for consumers seeking value and functionality. Thanks for watching.